Walking Duri right now. Nhìn nó nhánh bên đây nè. Wow. Thấy không? 6 seconds already. 12. 20. Ý sẽ thò. Hey. Đẹp gái quá hả? Gì looking at? What was that? She said something? So to see how big is it? You catch for me? Okay.
Actually, what you could try, where with the
What are you looking at? See some bird right here? Yeah. She followed the bird. Duri! Duri, are you happy? Happy doggo? Yeah.
I'm filming. Yes.
Friday! I've never been so happy to see money disappear from my account.
Why?
Because finally we got the payment purchase request for our house to the owner. And once we do that, then we send that confirmation to the bank. And then the bank will give us the rest of the money so we can pay for the house. Once we finally pay for the house, then we get the keys.
And then we can move in.
We can move in.
Hopefully next week. Hôm nay là ngày tụi mình đi nhận key của cái nhà. Yeah, finally everything's packed. Peter is trying to navigate. Yeah, we have some fence here and some plants. And of course, Duri Mong. This is the first time Duri Mong gonna see the house. Today is Wednesday, and hopefully this weekend, Friday, gonna move in. Finally, it takes so long. That's in Vietnam, it should take like less than 2 weeks or even a week. Or if you're ready, it can be like 3 days, within 3 days with all of the paperwork and stuff. We are living in Germany, so bureaucracy. This is the new keychains that I bought for the house. We got it! We got it! Tôi không thể thấy cái vườn của tôi luôn, nó thành cái rừng rồi mọi người ạ. You get to know the house? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Hôm nay là những thứ mình đi chợ. Thấy video không? Mua 30. It's like the new house. You mom, you look so happy. Space.
Yeah, congrats homeowner.